So in this video, we are going to talk about how to make millions of coins in FIFA Mobile 23. So make sure to like and subscribe if you are excited for it. So a while back, I made this type of video and I said that I was going to show you me selling some of the Team of the Year cards that have got 999 plus listings. And I have managed to sell some of them. So I'm going to go on and show you right here. In my orders, you can see I did manage to sell Ederson and Hakim is right there, even though they have got a lot of listings, meaning 999 plus listings. For example, this Hakimi card, as you can see, has got 999 plus listings, and I did manage to sell him for 14.3 million coins. And that's basically what you need to do. Even though the cards have got 999 plus listings, you should go ahead and list them up. Like these Team of the Year cards, for example, I didn't even list that many cards, only 18, and 5 of them sold, which is obviously quite good already. But at some point, most of these cards are gonna sell. So for example, I'm gonna go ahead and list Milinkovic-Savic as well right now. I can go ahead and list some of the Ultimate Team of the Year players that I'm not using. For example, I'm gonna list Bruno Fernandes. He's gonna sell at some point for 21 million coins as well. Same thing with Griezmann. I just have him in one of my teams. So when I go and take him out, I'm gonna try to sell him as well. Kimmich, I've got 106 overall Kimmich. I'm gonna go ahead and sell him as well, and they're not gonna sell straight away, but you should go ahead and list them up and they're most likely gonna sell. These icon cards though, I don't really think they're gonna sell. I don't have high hopes with that, but maybe they are gonna sell at some point as well. But 105, 106, 107 overall Team of the Year cards, I think they've got a chance to sell. Other than that, like 104 in lower overalls, I don't think they're gonna sell. What you can do with those though to make more coins is go ahead and do the exchanges that we've got right now. I said a lot of times that I don't really like these exchanges, but we've got too many 101, 102 overall cards here that are just no use for us, because you can't sell them. Of course, you can't sell 101, 102 overall cards. There are just too many people that have got them. And all you can do is go ahead and do these exchanges right here, where you've got a chance to pack 105 overall players. Or if you pack like 104 overall players, for example, you can go ahead and use those cards into this exchange. I would suggest you to use 104 overall cards in this exchange right here to get 106 plus, because it is easier to sell those cards. I don't think this exchange right here is worth it to get 108 plus overall player for 107 and 108 overall card. I don't really think that's good. But these two, 103 plus and 106 plus, are quite decent. Let me go ahead and open a couple of them and let's see what we are gonna get. Is there gonna be a decent pack like for me or not? From the first one, we are gonna get Polish goalkeeper. So that's a bad one. That's Chesney. That's quite a bad one. I didn't even get 104 overall to put into another exchange. Let's go and open the second one. I've got a lot of these 102 overall cards that I'm not using. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and put them in, I guess. Portuguese central forward, is that okay? That's Joao Felix. That's 105. No, 104. I'll take a 104 because I can use him in the other exchange, as I said. So that was a decent one. 104 and 105. I'll take those cards, as I said, because I can use those into 106 plus overall player packs. Now Dutch left winger. That's Gakpo. I think that's 103. Yep, that's a bad one once again. But you should go ahead and keep doing this. To try to get 104 pluses. I mean, I don't really think putting in 103 overalls are worth it in this one, but I'm gonna do it anyways. I've got too many Chesneys and too many of these Kostic cards and Gakpos and some others as well. Let me go and do it one more time. Let's see if you're gonna get 104 overall to go ahead and put him into the exchange. We go Chesney again. We did get Chesney again. Right, that's still very bad. But if you go enough 104 overalls, I would suggest you to do this exchange as well. Now, I do really want to do the exchange one time at least in this video. So let me go ahead and claim one of the 105 overalls that I'm trying to sell. For example, I'm gonna claim this Milinkovic-Savic, and let me go ahead and do that exchange one time at least. 106 plus overall. Here we go. And I wouldn't suggest you to put in 105s for this. I have to say it because you can sell 105 overall cards, at least some of them. But if you can't sell them for a long period of time, then use it for this exchange. I don't think it's that big of a problem. Now 106 plus, these cards are more likely to sell. We've got Uruguayan central mid. Okay, that's Valverde. I don't really know his rating. It's only 106. it's only 106. You obviously got a chance to pack 107 and 108 overall cards, I think, as well. Yeah, so if you get a 108, that's great. If you get 107, that's very, very good as well. 106, not that much, but he's still gonna sell. He's still gonna sell at some point. I'm just gonna go on and list him up. And yeah, not today, not tomorrow probably, but at some point they're gonna sell. Now let me go ahead and claim those coins that I got for Ederson and Hakimi. 70 million coins, 70 million easy coins right here, because I listed them up about like a week ago or something like that, and they did finally manage to sell. So that's pretty much what's gonna happen with most of the 106 and 107 overall cards, and I think most 105 overall cards as well when you list them up for a long time. Now, from the Ultimate Team of the Year event, of course, the Worst Attack tournament or the head-to-head tournament, whichever one you're playing, has refreshed. You should go ahead and play the Worst Attack one, I think, and lower your team low to play against weaker opponents. And you can go and get 1600 Team of the Year tokens, as well as another 106 plus overall Team of the Year player pack. And from that 106 plus overall player pack, you're obviously gonna get a good player, and you can go ahead and sell them. Also, you're gonna get 1600 Team of the Year tokens to go ahead and open these Team of the Year exchanges. From there, you don't have that many great chances to pack like like Ultimate Team of the Year or very, very high overall player. You still got a chance, but not that high. But if you didn't open Ultimate Team of the Year packs yet, you got a chance to get them done as well this week. If you are completely free to play, I think this week, if you go on and play the Worst Attack tournament, you're gonna be able to claim both of the Ultimate Team of the Year packs. So let me know what you packed. Let me know what you packed if you already done that. And obviously from the Team of the Year exchanges, you still got a chance to pack some decent players. Not that high of a chance though. But if you go and open them, you can put them into the exchange, into the exchanges right here to try to pack 105s from here or 104s, and then 106 plus overall player packs from this one as well. Let me know if you're enjoying Team of the Year though. I think it's quite a bad event. It got very, very repetitive. It's quite boring at this point. Also, there is challenge mode as well and tournament. If you want to get some more Team of the Year tokens, to then open some more Team of the Year exchange packs to make more coins, pretty much. To make more coins, to get more players and have a chance to pack higher overall players. But that's pretty much it. Obviously, the quests as well. In the quests, you can go ahead and complete these quests right here, weekly quests and daily quests, to get even more Team of the Year tokens and open more packs, but that's pretty much it. Let me know what your overall team is as well. I'm interested to see. My team is right now 108 overall. I think if I upgrade one skill boost, it's gonna become 109. I'm gonna do a huge team upgrade later on though. Not right now. I'm not gonna upgrade my team right now. Let me know what your team is though. 130 plus, or is it 130? Is it less than 130? Anyways, this is gonna be the end of the video, guys, for today. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and peace.